All right, y'all. I'm going to do a quick recording on how I set up my voice extraction because voice extraction seems to be a little finicky right now, and a lot of people are asking how do you build it. So right here inside my screen, you'll see I built a tool. I named it Update Contact, and this doesn't matter so much, but just copy verbatim, okay? Then this really tells the bot when contextually to add this information in. Don't worry about this link yet. Right now we're going to tell it the parameters we're going to install. I'm going to zoom out just a hair so we can see. We have first name. Now this is important. Copy this exactly. Don't no spaces, no special characters, and first name of the user. Last name of the user. All the details you need that you're going to be receiving from the conversation. Okay. Don't hit save yet. Keep that open. Inside another tab inside of workflow, you're going to create a workflow and name it something similar so you can figure out what it is just by looking at it. But extract contact info, and then this is the name of the tool. This doesn't do anything except for help me see what this is responding to, what is being triggered off of. So what we're going to do right here is hit add new trigger and type webhook. I can't add another inbound webhook, so you're just going to have to trust me on how I set this up. You're going to name it however you want to name it. It's still an inbound webhook. This is going to be unique to you. You're going to copy this whole URL and you're going to post it right in there, right here. Then you're going to add the information you want. So this is all the address information I have, all the contact information. And then over here, this is not going to be visible. It's going to say test. Before you can test, save everything you can. And then what you're going to do is you're going to call or text your bot, whatever you have it set up to do, and tell it to run the tool update contact. Now what that's going to do is it's going to send all the information that it can, and it's going to give you a mapping reference. So this was empty before, now it's going to give you one to select. You select that, and what it's going to do is it's going to give you all the information that was sent when you told to use that tool update contact. You don't need all this information, but this is the information you can pull from. So you're going to come into here. You're going to find contact. That's cool because if the contact doesn't exist, it will create a new one. So what you're going to do is once this is all saved and published and all that, you're going to come here. Inbound webhook trigger will now work because this is based off of that mapping fields you selected. And this args right here, so your inbound webhook args, these are the values that you defined under the parameters right here. All of these guys. But what we need to do right now is Assistable always collects the contact ID. And how it does that is inside inbound webhook trigger, call, and then we're going to scroll down. Whoop, sorry. There we go. Retail, LLM, dynamic variables. And then there's two contact IDs. We don't want the one without the underscore. We're going to keep scrolling down until we find it. Thank you, Esteban Lopez, for that trick. So select that contact ID, and then it's going to automatically fill in this value right here. See, underscore. And then you're going to add a new action for update contact field, and then pick all the arguments you want to add. So you can add first name, last name, all the contact information that you set up as an argument, as a parameter here. And you're going to save these changes, and you're going to save and publish this. And then once you're done, then when you call in, it's going to show you how to update it. Now, I wasn't planning on doing a live demonstration, but I'll show you real quick. I'm actually going to call it from my test number. And what's going to happen is it's going to say, hey, John, my name's John Chavez apparently right now, right from testing. I'm going to say, hey, my name is Mike. So when I'm able to actually make the call, here we go.
Hi, John. How can I help you today?
Hey, can you update my first name to Mike?
Got it. I'll update your first name to Mike.
And can you
Your first name
also,
has been updated to Mike.
oh, thank you. Can you also update my street address to 105 Common Street?
Sure thing. I'll update your street address to 105 Common Street.
All right.
Your street address has been updated.
Thank you. One second. I'm going to check. I'm going to make sure you did everything the way you should. Give me a second.
All set, Mike.
Okay, my name is now
Take your
Mike,
time.
and you did update my address to 105. Thank you. So as you can see, it works. Once you have it set up right, it works almost every time. Now there are some times when you do say, "Hey, update it," and it doesn't update it right away. One of the last things I'll say is here inside of my prompt, which this is kind of important if you're going to include this as part of your conversation. I always wait till after everything's confirmed, their address, da 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 da, and then all the way down here, I say, inform the caller you're happy to work with them, and of the trip fee. Also, always update the user's contact info using update contact at this time. Man, I can't talk. Also run update contact after any corrections to the user contact info are provided by the user. It works for me. It's worked consistently. I Once you copy this, I haven't had anybody that run into issues. Let me know if you build this out and it's still not working for you. It'd be an interesting use case for me to be able to troubleshoot for you. All right, have a good one.